Hi everyone, my name is David. Just want to give you guys a market update. Now, if I look at Bitcoin on the weekly, on the weekly, well, I mean, you still, okay, I want y'all to look at the RSI here, all right? And so right now, it's at 87. Maybe you could say it went up higher, but if you look at the top of this RSI, it's still lower than the tops here and here, but the prices went up a lot. That's not really a good sign. We need Bitcoin to push up higher and have this RSI break above the previous RSIs, okay? If I look at the stochastics RSI, you're already maxed out, you know? And here's the thing. I think a sell point might come in maybe later, like February and March instead of January. And so because I'm looking at how the altcoins are moving with Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke 100,000, still hoping it pulls through on the cup and handle, and Bitcoin will, go to 120 to 150,000. Okay, cool. But here's now, if you look at on the monthly, Bitcoin still has more room to go, all right? But if I look at it from the weekly, what I'm hoping would happen is, I don't want a move like this. You see this point here, and then it just goes all the way down to here. Well, if you look at the dates, that was in December when the yellow line crossed underneath the purple line, December 4th. And then here, okay, maybe not. Okay, there, it was 2 months later. All right, it was 2 months later when the yellow line crossed back over, and really there wasn't a huge price difference, okay, because you're looking at 40 something thousand, down to like 30 something thousand or whatever, and you had this huge move up. All right, and the stochastics RSI are going low. Around here you had the big move, and where we're at now. So what is that? What is that price? It's like 54,000, and it almost doubled. Now, when I'm looking at that, well, we're in December, and this is December 7th. If something like this type of move happens, from like maybe 110, 100, 12, I don't know, something like that, you have a pretty big correction or a decent sized correction, and then it'll be past January, it'll be like past February, and then maybe into March, a little over March, April or something like that, where you have maybe a good chance to sell off on your altcoins. Or we can have a move like this right here. Okay, so you had a move here, the stochastics are high, the yellow line cross under, and then maybe a move up like that. And that was like, well, let's look at the date. So that was in January 30th, and whatever, we'll say, January 30th, maybe it's February, and then that's 2 months later. Okay, so if something like that happens here, we're in December, we finish December, we finish January, and probably sometime February or maybe March, Bitcoin is at that 20 something thousand dollars, $20,000 to $50,000, and boom. Okay, the really the big indicator that I'm looking for, let me show you what I'm really looking for. BTC dominance. Okay, this is what I'm really looking at here. And if I look at the BTC dominance, no, let's look at, okay. Let's look at a 5-year chart. So right now, when BTC goes low, it can go down to like 40%. Okay. And so that's what I'm looking at. Right now, the BTC dominance peaked out. It is going down. And really, I'm waiting for BTC dominance to go down to like, 42, 40%. And to me, that's when whatever altcoin prices are at, whatever they're at, is a good sell point. Okay, now by the time Bitcoin dominance is down to like 40%, some of the altcoins already peaked out. You missed your chance to sell it at its peak price. But whatever, is a good time to sell. And this is really what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Bitcoin dominance, okay? Maybe when Bitcoin dominance goes down more, like here's the all-time, okay? So if you look at the all-time Bitcoin dominance, whatever. I mean, you have Bitcoin dominance go down to 43. Here, you have Bitcoin dominance go down to 40. So maybe this time it might even go lower. Who knows? But around 40, to me, it's time to start selling off. Or 42, it's time to start selling off. And that's what I'm really looking at. You have a double part in the Bitcoin dominance here, and probably if I check the date of that, what am I looking at? What I'm looking at is like it says January 22nd. Okay, that's probably, let's look at this on a monthly. It's probably this right here, this double top. So when did this double top? This wasn't November. Oh, yeah, this was in November. And then January, okay, which is almost up to here. And so, it was in July. Bitcoin dominance fell on the second time. Let's look at the first time when it hit 40%. Oh no. Shoot. What's going on? Can I make it bigger? Man. Okay, hold on. I messed around. So here, let's go back to Bitcoin BTC dominance. Let's see if we can get a correlation. Let's go back. 5-year. Let's look at the first time it went down to 4. It's in December. Okay, 2021. December 2021. Okay? December 21st. Oh, no. December 1st, 2021. Well, let's go back to this. This wasn't November, but in the month of November it peaked. And so it was in December 1st, it was at 56,000. All right, and then this is when Bitcoin dominance went to its lowest. It's probably, so then if I did that, let's look at Ethereum. Where was Ethereum back in December? Right here. Ethereum was at 4,000. It started out 4,500 something. Okay. 4,624. That was December 1st. All right. Let's look at Binance. Where was Binance in December? December 1st. Okay, this is Binance at December 1st. Okay, so let's look at some of these other coins. I got Dash. Right now, I like Sui. All right, I do got Dash. I got some BT VET. I got some EOS. Let's look at Dash. Where was Dash in December. Hold on. That was in, ooh, that was in May. Where was it? In December. Ooh, see that? That shouldn't look too good. Dash really peaked that way before. So I gotta keep that in mind. I'm definitely gonna keep that in mind. Dash was different. Dash was different. Right? So these are some of the legacy coins. Look at EOS. EOS, man, it really, oh, look at that. So this was in May, 2021 May, right? Well, let's go back. It's 2022. This is in July. May, when Bitcoin was at 42% dominance, some of the legacy coins like EOS, like Dash, they peaked out at 42. Okay, so yeah, 42 is a good sell point. Let's look at FED. Okay, well, when did this happen? This was, man, this happened in April. In May was 19 cents, and then you had another peak here. When was this? November. Okay, I see. So this is the kind of information y'all need to look at. All right, but once again, all these coins, rather like Ethereum and Binance, where it matched pretty well, perfect with here December, but you have other altcoins where it matched right there in May. Okay, so May, all right, June, July, May to December is quite different in time zone. Okay, so yeah, you got to keep that stuff in mind. So when Bitcoin's around 42%, 43, 44, 42%, maybe for some of these coins, at least you want to start taking profits. You want to start taking profits, selling off. And that's my game plan. Remember, I'm not your financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing or what I plan on doing, what I think will happen. I give y'all reasons why, okay? So yeah, I still think Bitcoin got space to go. And the way I'm measuring it is right here. I'm looking at Bitcoin dominance. 55% is high. It's high. Now, my jam pick, my special pick for this bull run, I'm going to go with Supra. I did buy into some Supra like Friday at like less than a cent, and it's already at 2.4 cents. So I bought in some more today. So yeah, I think Supra, basically this is what it is. So you have Solana. Okay, you have Solana. But Sui is like the next Solana. Okay. This is from Altcoin Daily. All right. Sui is like the next Solana. So I think Sui can more than 10x from here. I have some Sui. Okay. But but if you look at Sui was like 10 cents when it got to Binance. Now it's at 450, right? Or whatever, is at 437 or 436 right now. So, but Sui to me is like gonna be like the next Solana, which means what is the next Sui? Or what is the next Solana at a really beginning price? To me, it'll be Supra. Supra is like the next Solana. That's from Altcoin Daily. I'm subscribed. I'm glad he gave me that info, and yeah, I'm in Supra right now. Okay, so I'm in all the other coins, but yeah, my jam pick for this bull run is Supra. I think Supra, it's gonna go up a lot more than just 2 cents, right? Or 2.5 cents. Okay, maybe this thing's gonna be a couple dollars, 10, who knows? At the end of this bull run, yeah, this thing's gonna be worth more than, it could be worth tens of dollars, who knows? Okay, so Supra is the one that I'm picking, and there y'all have it. As for KuCoin, it's just getting smashed. Look at the daily, like only almost $5,000 of trading in 24 hours, and you only have 2 exchanges that have KOK coins, okay, and one is about to get rid of it. So the last one is Gate.io. All right, so yeah, I sold off all my KOK and bought Supra and other stuff, right? And so I think Supra is gonna make a lot. You have right now on KuCoin almost $5.5 million worth of transactions, right? Like if I look at Supra, okay, if I look at Supra, and I look at, it's in a rack of exchanges, but look at the volume: 51 million, 38 million. I mean, the volume, the 24-hour trading volume is 148 million, almost 149 million dollars. So it's 148,798,147 dollars. That's big. That's a lot of money coming in and out of Supra. Okay, that's a lot of money coming. And if I hit the max, it hasn't been around that long. Okay, it was just in November 27th. This is just the beginning, and you already have that kind of money. Just $148 million, almost 800,000. If I look at like the older legacy coins, let's look at like Dash. I like Dash. I hold Dash, right? Okay. Well, how much is getting traded with Dash? Dash trading volume is $237,622,000, and that's Dash. Okay, I think Dash is gonna break 400 again. Okay, let's look at EOS. Okay, I like EOS, right? I still hold some EOS. $442,240 is market cap of $2 billion. Okay, let's look at SUI. All right, I like SUI. Okay, $12 billion market cap. Trading volume $1,698,448,517. That's serious trading on a coin, right? Let's look at VET. I like VET. Okay, let's look at VET. Market cap $5 billion. Trading $348 million. $454,550, right? So you look at the amount, the market cap, you look at how much trading is done, and if you look at KOK and it's only in one exchange, I mean, it's just, yeah, it's a dead wasted coin. But my pick for this bull run is Supra. Okay, so remember, I'm not your financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. All right, I just tell you what I'm doing or what I'm into, and I give y'all reasons why. Okay, so, and once again, I showed you what I'm really looking at. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance right here. This is the big thing for me. All right, everyone. God bless all of you. All right. Once again, you want to surround yourself with the right people. You want to be mentally healthy, physically healthy, most importantly, spiritually healthy. Okay, emotionally healthy. Surround yourself with the right people. All right. Yeah, I think things will get better. Hopefully, And yeah, God bless all of you. Bye.